Every life you've admired, every life you've envied, every life you have wondered, how did this person get here? There's always one thing in common, which is the choices they've made, the decisions they make. Whether we realize it or not, our current situation, where we are currently in our present life, is as a result of the decisions and the choices that we have made. In 2026, what decision are you going to make differently in order to make your future more amazing, more better than you could ever imagine? Imagine. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie. If this is the first time of coming across my video or seeing my face, welcome to the channel and happy new year. This is my first official video in 2026 and I officially want to say welcome to 2026. I pray that this year be an amazing year and a wonderful year, a year to remember indeed in each and every of our life. And this brings us to today's video, which is about choices and decisions that you are making, that you are going to make in 2026 and in the years to come. You are not just where you are just because of life happen. You are where you are because of the decisions that you have made. Just take a minute to just look at your life, just do like a deep reflection where I am currently in my choice of job, in my relationship, in my career, wherever. How did I get here? It was because of the choices I made. I made the choice. I decided to be where I am currently. But the question is, am I actually happy where I am? Is this what I really want for myself? Like the turnout of events and situations and things, is this the way I want it to be? I understand the place of God guiding us and directing us. Yes, the Bible says that the steps of the righteous are ordered by the Lord. Yes, it's God that guides us, but God also gives us the opportunity to make choices, to decide for ourselves. The Bible says that I've said before you life and death, so choose life. And we are always exposed to a lot of choices, like we have choices. So now it's not left for us to decide on the right choices. So how can you make the right decisions in 2026? Decisions that you'll be proud of, that yes, I'm happy I made this decision. Yes, I'm happy I took this step. Some decisions are supposed to bring us into a place of betterment, a place of peace, a place of joy. But because we choose not to make the right decision, then the opposite happens to us. But how can we make the right choices in 2026? Number one is you need to look at the long term of the decision you're making. You need to be able to compare and contrast. Look at 5 years from now, this decision I'm making, is it going to profit me? Is it going to bring me something good? Is it going to bring me joy and peace? Or is it going to give me the other way around? Am I just making this decision because of the present pleasure or present, happiness that's going to give me and not looking at the future? You don't have to do that. You need to look at the future when making the decisions. Let's take your career for example. Is this what you really want for yourself in the next 5 years? Is this where I see myself? Is it this niche or this company, this area of career? Is this what I want for myself? Is this where I've seen myself? You need to be able to look at the future of whatsoever you are deciding or whatever choice you're making currently. Number two, you need to separate emotions from judgment. I know we are all emotional beings, especially my ladies. Like you need to judge your choices based on facts, not based on emotion. Because to be honest, your emotion can be very, very deceiving, but you need to be factual. Like, okay, this decision I'm making, these choices I'm making, is it going to profit me? Is this worth it? Is this business worth investing into? Instead of, oh, let me just do it because, oh, this person is my friend. Let me invest in this business because, oh, this person is my friend. Let me just do this because, oh, I like this person. Like, you don't need to make your life choices based on emotion, but based on facts. You need to take your life serious because our life, our future is as a result of the choices and decision you make. So you need to make factual decision instead of emotional decision. Number three of how you can make the right decision, you need to understand where this decision is coming from, where these choices is coming from. Am I making this decision as a result of fear or as a result of faith? If it's as a result of fear, then you don't need to make decision. Like making decision in a place of fear can be very, very devastating, can make your life miserable. But you need to make your decision as a result of faith, even if it's looking impossible. But when you have faith and you're optimistic that, okay, this decision I'm making is going to profit me, this decision I'm making is going to be better for me, it's going to make my life better, then you go for it. But if you're afraid, please don't make that decision. Number four point is seek counsel. No man is an island of knowledge, so you are free to consult people. Like, okay, ask people for their opinion, but don't allow people opinion to be all that you use to judge your decision. Seek wise opinion or counsel from people you trust, people you know that, okay, they've been exposed, they are enlightened in this area. Seek counsel, because you need to be properly guided in the choices you make. You don't want to look back at your life and then you are regretting, oh, I wish I've asked questions. I wish I did my research before doing this. So seek the right counsel. 2026 is not just another year, but it's a decision point for you and I. So what decision am I going to make differently this year? What choices am I going to make differently this year? Because our life is shaped by the choices that we make.